Okay, everybody, it's Mom, Aiden, and Addie, and we're here to unbox the Zuru Robo Alive Junior Play and Learn Bath Toy.
This is Little Fish.
Little Fish. This is Junior. Robo Alive Junior. Swims like a real fish.
This toy that I got from eBay.
Got it from eBay.
Now here's the front.
And the back. Now we're going to open this up and we're going to see what that Robo Fish Junior looks like.
Good idea, Mom.
Okay.
You guys should get him like a box cutter.
You know, Grandma has one of those. That's not a bad idea, Addie.
Because a knife is not exactly the best to use.
Yeah.
Here's the instruction booklet.
Yep. Got all the instructions.
And we'll get the fish out.
Take a little bit of work to get it out, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
We'll be right back to do a review.
Okay.